our helpers. Can I start? Yes, Shanchayon. See. So, before starting our helpers, so first you need to know who are called our helpers. Anyone from whom we get help, anyone who serve us, they are called our helpers. Okay, so the people who help us in different ways, they are called our helpers. So the people who help us in different ways, they are called our helpers. So now see, this picture is your homework because I want to see that can you write the name of this item or not. So this part, only this part I'm giving as homework. Write the name of the helpers. Write the name of the helpers who work with this tool. Write the names of the helpers who work with this tool. Easily we can write. The first one is doctor, then tailor, then cobbler, then screwdriver, so mechanic thing, then mason, then sweeper, then barber, and then shopkeeper. So this part is your homework. Now start from here. Who are our helpers? So in our everyday life, we do lots of things, but think one matter, think one, focus one thing, that we cannot do every work by ourselves. No. Can we do it? Can we do everything by ourselves? No. We all need the help of other people. We all need the help of other person. So the people who help us in different ways, we mean different type of different purposes in different work, they are called our helpers. Okay, so this is the answer of the question, that who are called our helper. So there are many people in our neighborhood. In the previous chapter, we learned about neighborhood. Neighborhood means, everyone be attentive because after some time we'll ask you question. Neighborhood mean it is neighborhood mean the area around our house. Yes, the area around our house is called our neighborhood. So there are many people in our neighborhood and who help us in different ways. They are called our helpers. Next, now let us learn about different kinds of helpers. Different kind of helper mean those who work in different fields. Number one is a teacher. What does a teacher do? The question that comes from this sentence is, what does a teacher do? A teacher teaches us in the school. Shopkeeper. What does a shopkeeper do? A shopkeeper sells articles. Article means object, item, different type of edible things. Next, edible and not edible things. Cobbler. What does a cobbler do? A cobbler mends our shoes. Carpenter. What does a carpenter do? A carpenter makes the furniture for our house. A carpenter makes the furniture for our house. Then, doctor. What does a doctor do? What does a doctor do? A doctor treats us when we fall sick. A doctor treats us when we fall sick. Then, cook. What does a cook do? A cook makes food for us. Barber. What does a barber do? A barber cuts cuts our hair in a saloon. What does a sweeper do? A sweeper sweeps the road. What does a milkman do? A milkman brings us milk every day. What does a tailor do? A tailor stitch our clothes. Stitch our clothes. And what does a gardener do? What does a gardener do? A gardener look after plants in the garden. Okay. So you can see 11. The name of 11 helpers are there like teacher, shopkeeper, cobbler, carpenter, doctor, cook, barber, sweeper, milkman, tailor, gardener. They all are helper because they help us in different ways. So all these helpers make our life easy and comfortable. Easy and comfortable mean they make our life very easy. Without them, our life would become very difficult. Can you think a society without a barber, without a carpenter? Let me give you one example. In this pandemic days, when all the saloons were closed, that time we suffer a lot. Yes. So without the helper, without their service, our life would become very difficult. And that time, in that case, we had to do everything by ourselves. So they have an important role in our daily life. They have an important role in our daily life. So our chapter has been completed and we will do the exercise tomorrow. But now what you have to do? Now your time to read the chapter. Your time to read the chapter. Acha, Rajdi. Yes, Rajdi. Okay, Ifra, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is also known as safe.
Cook, also known as chef. Yes, you are right.
Ma'am, and we cannot completed chapter number 9.
Who not completed? Me.
No, you just give it homework.
Chapter number 9 question. Okay. Come do it complete and then show me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. Yes, Himadri. Now don't sit. Now don't sit silently. Read out the chapter. All of you. Just read the chapter. Read it loudly. Acha. Mahira, come done. Okay, good. Yes, Himadri.
Ma'am, what called Rajmistri?
Mason. M-A-S-O-N. Mason.
Ma'am, this chapter completed. Kritika, ma'am.
Yes, this chapter completed and exercise we will do tomorrow, not today. Okay, now whatever I read just now, read it by yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Irene.
Ma'am, please tell me these two pictures. What you give the homework? Fourth one I write plumber. Plumber.
Fourth one, plumber. Plumber mean those who repair water pipes mainly. But in this picture, I can see screwdriver and one plus is there. So what we can write? Plumber.
Electrician.
Yes, that will be better to write because this Screwdriver. Yes, electrician. You can write. Good. Okay, let me also.
Ma'am, next one is shopkeeper.
Next one. Which one?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Fourth one, right?
Second, fourth one. Second, fourth one. Yes.
Oh, this one, shopkeeper. Because the shopkeeper use this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Acha, let me do it also because I think all you have confusion. Okay, so let me do it. Doctor, tailor, mason, cobbler, and after that, if you want, you can write electrician. Acha. Then here you can write mason, Rajmistri. Then here you can write sweeper. Then after that, picture number 4. Picture number 4, you can write barber. And then this picture you can write shopkeeper. Okay, like this you can do. Tailor, cobbler, electrician, mason, sweeper. I'm making arrow as I fail to write the word in the particular blank. Okay. Yes, Oishani. Yes, Oishani.
Ma'am, reading completed.
Completed. Okay. Reading completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me, what does a gardener do?
A gardener looks after plant in the garden.
Okay. Acha, why you are raising your hand? Acha, Ashna, say.
Ma'am, my father is a doctor.
Your father is a doctor.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Acha. Yes, Bornabo.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good afternoon. I am fine. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me. Acha, who are our helpers? Say.
There are many people in our neighborhood who help us in different ways. They are called our helpers.
Okay. So, yes, Arvika, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Say. Speak loudly. Cannot hear you.
I have finished my reading.
Finish your reading. What does a tailor do?
A tailor stitches our clothes.
A tailor?
A tailor stitches our clothes.
Clothes. Okay, good. Acha, Sampriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Say, what do you want to say?
I have completed my reading.
Acha, then tell me, what does a barber do?
A barber cuts our hair in a salon.
Okay, good. Madam, yes, say.
Ma'am, I am eating. I am lunch.
I am eating. I am eating me. No, you cannot leave the class. You are laughing. After saying a wrong words, you are laughing. No, Mehrab, class timing is up to 1:50, and before that you cannot leave. What I can do? I am eating. I am eating. No, wrong English. Acha.
Ma'am, I am Rajdi Dolapoti. I have finished my reading.
Acha,
And
Rajdi, what does a carpenter do?
Carpenter makes wooden furniture for our house.
Okay, very good. Acha, Irene.
Ma'am,
Okay, wait, see, Irene say that what
yes,
does
ma'am.
a doctor do?
A doctor treats us when we fall sick.
Okay, very good. So, Tirasha, tell me, what does a milkman do?
Hello?
A milkman brings us milk every day.
Okay, good. Acha, Shivangni. Acha, Sanchayan, tell me, what does a who makes?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Tell me, who makes food for us? Who makes food for us?
A cook makes food for us.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Shivangni, tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
what does a sweeper do?
What does sweeper do? A sweeper sweeps the road.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Drop your hand, those who have completed. I have to take attendance. Mushina say, what does a cobbler do?
A cobbler means our soup.
Okay. Acha. Shomodeep, tell me, what does a teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
What does a teacher do?
Our teacher teaches us in the school.
In the school, yes. Ifra say, what does a shopkeeper do?
A shopkeeper sells
Sells articles.
artisan.
Articles. Okay. Acha. Akmal Ali say,
Yes, ma'am.
who cuts our hair?
Barber.
A barber cuts our hair. Give the answer in full sentence. Arvind Rahman say,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Hey, good afternoon.
good afternoon. What does a gardener do? What does a gardener do?
গার্ডেনার বলেছে তুমি বলো গার্ডেনার
Gardener
A gardener
looks
the plants in the garden.
okay, good. Acha. Orgopal say, what does a milkman do?
A milk
ভালো করে বলো।
B-I.
A milkman
Milkman
brings us milk every day.
milk every day.
ভালো করে বলো।
Brings us milk every day. Read loudly.
স্পেলিং করে করে বল ম্যামকে।
Speak with me. Speak with me. A milkman brings
বল ম্যামের সঙ্গে।
us milk
Us milk
every day. Every day.
তুই ওটা দেখে বল আগে।
A milkman
Brings us
brings
us
us
milk
every
every
day.
yes. Practice reading every day. Read loudly. Right now, read loudly. I can see. What are you doing? Read loudly. Acha, Deeptha. Deeptha say. What does a doctor do?
A doctor
Yes.
treats us when we fall sick.
Okay. Good. Ayush, tell me. Ayush,
Yes ma'am bol.
who say who cuts our hair? Who cuts our hair?
A gobbler.
Cobbler. Cobbler cuts our hair. Barber. A barber cuts our hair.
বলো।
A barber cuts our
Hair in a saloon.
hair.
Yes, very good. Acha. Next, Arshi.
Yes, ma'am.
What does a teacher do?
A teacher
Teacher in the school.
teacher us in our school.
In our no, in the school. In the school. Afrin say, after Afrin will ask Shagnik. Afrin say,
Yes, ma'am.
Afrin say, what does a carpenter do?
A carpenter furniture for our house.
Okay, very good. Acha, Shagnik say, what does a shopkeeper do?
A shopkeeper sells articles.
Articles.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Acha, Rehan, unmute your device. Rehan.
Yes, ma'am.
Rehan say, who made our shoes? Rehan say, who made our shoes?
A cobbler
Made
our shoes.
And Aryan say, what does a doctor do?
A doctor
Treats us
teaches
as
we fall
sick.
sick.
Okay. Acha, Arhan Rahman, Arhan, unmute your device. Yes or no? Good. My eyes are on you. My eyes are on you. Acha, Arhan say, who makes food for us? Who makes food for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Who makes food for us?
A speaker
A cook. Cook make food for us. Cook. Acha, Srishti say, who makes cook for us? Cook, only cook. Say a cook make food for us.
Next cook for us.
Okay. Acha, Nishan say, Nishan. Nishan,
Yes, ma'am.
Nishan say, who sweeps the road? Who sweeps the road?
Sweeper.
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 Okay. Acha, Raunak Roy say, Raunak Roy.
Yes, ma'am.
Raunak say, what does a gardener do?
A gardener looks after plants and the garden.
Yes, very good. Acha. Yuvaraj, Juboraj. Where are you? Acha, Rashi, before that, Rashi, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Rashi say, what? Who cuts our hair?
Barber.
Say,
Barber cuts our hair in a salon.
very good. Acha, Yuvaraj say, Yuvaraj, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvaraj say, who are called our helpers? Who are our helpers? Say, there are many people in our neighborhood who help us in different ways. They are called our helpers. Okay, now we are doing chapter 11, our helpers. Okay. Arvika, yes, Arvika.
In our school.
Rajdi, wait. Who? I am?
No, ma'am. Yuvraj.
Yes, I think. Acha, Rajdi say. Say.
Ma'am.
Speak loudly, Rajdi. Speak loudly. Your microphone is not working.
ম্যাম এক্ষুনি লিভ মিটিং হয়ে যেতে পারে ফোনে আর চার্জ নেই আজ সকাল থেকে এখানে কারেন্ট ছিল না
Okay, okay. Okay.
আমাকে প্রেজেন্টটা দিয়ে দেবেন
Okay, okay. Too much worried about attendance, no? No issue.
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Okay. Acha, Mehra, I didn't ask you question. Unmute your device. After that, you can leave. Mehra, tell me, what does a teacher do? What does a teacher do?
টিচার
Hmm?
টিচার টিচার
Hmm?
আর
Teacher?
স্কুল
Yes. Let me check that. Have asked. Acha, Mandeep, unmute your device. Okay, Mehra. Mandeep, unmute your device. Mandeep, unmute your device. Okay, Rona. Mandeep, I think you are having network problem. I cannot see you. Mandeep, can you hear me? I asked.
Yes, ma'am. It's a network problem.
Yes. Shivagni. Okay,
Yes,
Mandeep.
network
Okay,
issue.
Mandeep. I will ask you tomorrow as because today I'm not able to hear you. So we'll ask you tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.